Check out Ryan over there in his mask. See, he's tried the Jenga already. Now he's gonna put on the luchador mask. you got a line?
No. I have no line.
So give me a month.
All those who stand in my way shall not live to tell the tale. I vote we start with the two tall people, or the two short people.
The Earth Tiger.
We got Devin and Noel. Okay, ready? And let's go. Keep those hands up. There you go. Even though we're not hitting to the head, get those body shots in there. That's it. Move laterally, Devin, in case you get smothered. There you go. That's it. That's it. Good try. Good try. Good try. That's it. Good. Good. Very good. You go. Exhale. Good. Time. All right, Noel, stay in there. All right. Good job, Devin. All right, ready? And let's go. Hey, good one, good one. Very good one. Time. No, get out of there. All right, we got Ryan Libre and Dan. Ready? Let's go.
What are you going for?
Oh, good one, good one. Watch the nuts, watch the back. Move lateral, lateral. Circle around. That's it, good, good, good. Body shots, go. Time, good job, Ryan. Time, gather. All right, we got Devin and Ryan. Let's go. Ooh, good one. Oh, good one. Time. All right, stay in there. Okay, ready? And let's go. Yeah, look at Devin. We'll be like Kamala, who? There we go, good, good. Devin likes some body shots. There you go. Good, good. Keep your composure. That's it. Keep your composure.
Come on, turn it all down. Turn it all down for me.
Turn around, turn around. There you go. There you go. Just keep facing them. Whatever you do, keep facing them. Keep facing them. Good try, good try, good try. Time. All right, Devin, get out there. Good job, man. All right, ready. We're gonna run, and let's go. He took off his mask. Ryan, keep your hands up. Even if it's body shots, keep your hands up. That's it. That's it. Keep the technique.
Try and get him. Leg guard.
10 seconds. Work them foot jabs. Good one, good one. Good try, Ryan. Time. Okay, get out there. Ready, Ryan? Okay, let's go.
Don't be scared, homie. Leg against one. Next in right there. So you're saying I did later on? So,
Okay, be careful about time. Back up. Good, good job, good job. Be careful about backpedaling. Move lateral. Circle it around. Keep your hands up, hands up. Ryan, keep your hands up. Lateral, circle around. Good, 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 good. Very good. All right. 5 seconds. Good try, good try. That's nice. Woo. Time. All right, good job. Good job, Ryan. All right, ready? Who's next? All right. We got Kamala's nephew in here. Ready? And let's go.
use your kicks and your jabs.
There we go. Oh, good attempt, good attempt. That's a good attempt.
Use your jabs to the body of the kicks to keep that length. Right more lateral movement. Try to intercept your distance. So keep on the outside. So you can work on good moves.
Good try, good try. That's it.
And you check those.
10 seconds. Don't back away, don't back away. Side to side, side to side. Side to side. Time. Good job. All right. Hey, and we got, let's go. All right. Good job, Devin. All right, good job, good job. Good try.
Body slam. Pick him up, roll, pick him up.
All right, time. Good job. We got Devin the guy in here. All right, ready? Let's go. Get those knees up higher if you want to raise them higher. Stand up range. There you go. Good. Evade laterally next time. Evade laterally next time after your attack. 10 seconds. Time. All right, good job. All right, back up. All right, this here is our final match here. Ready? Go ahead and strip your gear on. Ready? Let's go. Ooh. Yes.
Don't do your back. Huh? You can punch. Body work.
you move the fingers with your head.
Stand up, stand up, stand up.
As you know, so with your head, do the same with your body. You can move in, turn like this. Body shots. No. No, I mean, go body hits, so body through. It's the same mechanics as the head, flips over.
Absolutely. So what's up, but I might, it's the same concept, weight distribution.
Keep your hands up.
Distribution of weight.
Time. All right, good job, guys. Awesome. Awesome.
So